Right, so then guys, hopefully by now you've seen the little chatbot working on one side of us here. What I'd like to do is actually show you the back end because this is something else that other chatbots simply can't do. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you the back end. So while somebody's actually running through the chatbot, then the restaurant or takeaway or whatever has complete control. So first off, you've got all the different store settings where you can set up your store, everything like that, put in the names of it, put in the different pictures, this sort of thing. Next, you have the checkout settings. Now, this is another place that we actually excel and are far and away above everybody else. If my internet was going a little bit faster. So not only do you have PayPal and Stripe, which everybody has, you also have all of these other different merchants, right? So you can take payment by any of these merchants at all. You can turn on any of the checkouts that we want. That's all cool. And what we can do is we can also do manual checkout or cash on delivery. So all that's good. Now we can also change currencies to any currency that we like, just about. We have pretty much all the world currencies covered. We have tax covered and we have delivery charges all sorted as well. Now, we've got delivery preferences, so you can enable for store pickup, or you can enable home delivery. You can enable a preparation time, so how long the restaurant's going to take to actually get everything ready. And you can schedule an order as well, so they can order it in advance and get that all scheduled up to them. Now next, you've got appearance and settings, so you can change your appearance to look any way that you would like it to do. So if you want brand colours in there, that sort of thing, that's all cool. Change the font, change the product ordering, change the buy now titles, store pickups, hide add cart, hide WhatsApp send order, so you can order through WhatsApp as well. Now next you've got your business hours. You set your business hours, whatever settings you would like, that's all sorted as well. So you can have it open 24 hours a day if you wanted, or you could just have it whenever. So if you're selling other products, just open it 24 hours a day. Now next you've got your categories. This one obviously hasn't got a great deal of categories. This was only a small van last night. However, we do have ASOS, which has loads of categories, and it's pretty much unlimited the amount of things that you want to put in here. Next, you've got attributes, which the likes if they want extra fries, extra beans, what size clothes they might want, what colour clothes they might want. All of these can all be added as well. And we can also add different pricing structures to all of them. So that's all cool too. Next, you have your products. So again, you can add as many products as you like, just to make sure that you've got everything covered. I just use the same picture all the way through on this one, but obviously you can change your pictures. Next, you get visit store. Now, this is where it gets good because they don't need to be actually logged into Facebook to visit our store, and the store is completely built into Facebook. So we have the added security of Facebook, and we can either use Facebook with or without the store all in there. So that's all cool as well. Next, you've got your delivery points. Now, this is if, for example, if you were doing a restaurant and you wanted people to use the QR code to order from their table, we could have each table listed down here. People could order, could pay without having any interaction with the waitresses, trying to get the waitress's attention, anything like this, all just sent straight to the kitchen. So all of that can be done within no time. So you just list down the different table numbers. Next, you have your coupons. So if you want to offer discount codes, anything like this, that's all good. You've also got your signed up customers, which means anybody who's ordered food off you before, you can now retarget and sell them even more food. Now, personally, I would use the QR code for this and use it on all receipts, use it on tables to order food, things such as this. So when people click the QR code, go through the phone, and straight away they have everything all in there. So it's all dead good. Particularly during this COVID time, because it means that you're not going to have all those menus lying about and this sort of thing. You can also have drinks in there, you can have anything you want in there. Now next you've got orders. So this is orders that's actually being placed inside of here. So it'll basically tell you which order. So that's the one I've just said done. And I can have the status. So have I approved it? Have I rejected it? Have I shipped it? So all you would do is the kitchen would have Facebook signed in and you would approve that. Right. We are cooking. Right. So that's it approved. Then obviously you can do the rest of it. Put an order in there, but don't worry about it. Just THB. Right, so order status notification. This is where we can keep the people informed about how their status of the food's coming. So we can send it via SMS, via email, or via messenger. So we have every aspect covered. So we can have message order approved, order rejected, order shipped, order delivered, and message complete. All right, so all cool here. They've also got a confirmation and reminder, which is all good. It means I can remind people on about the whole thing. Just kind of another little added extra here. I like to do belts and braces. So this gives us all of that. Now you've also got reminder reports, so we can see exactly if you're away from your takeaway for the night, then they can log exactly what's being sent through, and they can even log into this. It's not a problem. And it'll all show live for them. And finally, we have delete store. Now, you might be thinking maybe there's not enough products. So I actually done this one. I only done it as a quick little put together. And if we have a look in here, let's have a quick look. Visit store. If it's going to go, because we have very slow internet. Very, very slow internet. Come on. Right, so we're going to visit the store. And inside of here, we have an awful lot more products. So this is actually from ASOS. So what you can do is you can go to Distress Demon. You can have a look in all them. You can go through all the different women's bags, everything else. And you can basically have unlimited amounts of things. And remember, we have got the discounts in there. We've got full details in there. We've got all the prices in there. We have absolutely everything that you could ever want. And of course, you can then tell the customer when it's being shipped, when it's ready, and everything else. So I hope that you like the look of this. So far, it hasn't got those silly carousels things that people are using to try and do food ordering, which then have no back-end service to it. This has the whole lot of back-end service. And as a bonus, if you do actually switch over to us, what we are doing, is chatamo.com/restaurants. All right, and we want you to be able to sell a lot. That's why we're here to actually help. So what I've decided to do is obviously what it looks like all done. It's got some of the back end in. It's got a little bit of a video there. But the thing that you should be most interested in is I've actually given you free templates as well. So you can send these templates off to the restaurants as a way for you to get in the door. You can put your little scan code on here and it's all good. Basically, you now can offer a complete service. And I've also put down the comparable people. So you've got likes of Gloria Food, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Just Eat. All right. So if you have any questions at all, these are the price that we're going to save. You can make up your own prices on it. This is the $20 per month thing. But obviously, if you sell it out to clients, then you also get 40%. So there's down to $12 a month by the time you get your percentages on. But please don't buy them on your own. Make your restaurants go and buy them, and then you take over it. Right, so that's it, guys. I hope this has been informative. I hope you liked it. And hopefully get a load of comments and speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.